Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about vlookup function in msexcel. In my previous video I already explained some formulas. You can find in cards here. Now let's come to the topic. Today's topic, vlookup function. We have the student's data. In that student's data we have a roll number, student name and result of the student. If you enter roll number here, that student name should appear here and result should be appear here. Now let's start the formula. Is equal to vlookup bracket start. So we have to which value we have to look up, roll number we have to, comma, we have to select the table, comma, column index. In which column student name is there in our selected data, second column, comma, 0. Enter. If you give 100 here, the student name is coming. Now let's take the another example. Is equal to vlookup. The lookup value is the roll number in this example, comma, we have to select the data, comma, the index number is, now it is 3, now is equal to 0 means exact value should come. It is come like that. If you give 101, upper row is 5. If you give 103, Venkat, pass. Hope you understand my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.